One of the things that I really love about research is the freedom, because it's probably the academic job is the only one in which you can really decide each day what is the most important thing for you, and you can work on it. Another thing I really like about research is the impact that it can have on society, and as well for the teaching side, you can really shape or help shaping the future of the next generations. My research is on atmospheric chemistry, and I do this both using field measurements and laboratory experiments. And the main focus is on trying to understand the causes and find mitigation strategies for climate change and for air pollution. In one of my past projects, there was a very clear impact on policymaking. In this project, I was studying an exposure route for honeybees to a class of pesticides called neonicotinoids. Our research, as well as the research of other colleagues around the world, was really important in shaping European policy. So now these pesticides have been phased out in Europe, so they cannot be used anymore, because they recognized at policy level that they were putting in danger the survival of honeybees. In my current group, we are working on two main research lines. The first one is focused on studying coordination chemistry in atmospheric waters, like fog droplets or cloud droplets. So this mechanism is really important both for the Earth's climate and for air pollution. Because when this mechanism happens, the physical properties of the atmospheric particles can change. So it changes also their ability to interact with solar radiation and with clouds, so they have an impact on the Earth's climate. On the other hand, this mechanism can also change the solubility of the metals that are present in the aerosol particles. So they can have a different mechanism and impact in causing oxidative stress when the particles are inhaled in our lungs. The second research line is focused on trying to infer the oxidizing capacity of the atmosphere and how it evolved during the past eras. The oxidizing capacity of the atmosphere is a really important parameter to understand how the air quality is going to change on a changing climate. And we try to infer it by using a mixed experimental and modeling approach, in which we try to look at oxidation products of compounds emitted by terrestrial plants in ice cores in Antarctica. I wasn't the first one in my family to go to university, because my father also went to university. But I am the first one who pursued a PhD and then an academic career. And it was nice that my family was always very supportive with me. This was really important. I always wanted to experience living abroad. So when I came to Cambridge, I found that it was different from my country. There are some differences in the way in which we express ourselves. There might be some misunderstanding just because of the way we say things and not because of what we actually say. I think team building is really important, and I always promote teamwork in my group. I'm a new lecturer in the Department of Chemistry, and I moved here to Cambridge only in March 2020, so just before the lockdown. And I spent the beginning of my new research position and most of the time so far locked in my house. So I'm really looking forward to go back to the lab, restart the practical research, and because my group is also relocating from Italy to Cambridge, I'm really looking forward to welcoming them here.